Hey there, quick review on this Black & Decker 4-amp jigsaw. Nice jigsaw, more of a basic unit, very budget-friendly jigsaw. Ideal for that random project around the house or a do-it-yourself project. Some of the key features here, we've got a variable speed, so you can start the cut off slow, get it started, and you can match your speed according to whatever task you're doing. Nice to have that control. You can also auto lock your trigger on by pulling the trigger and pushing this button in. Then you don't have to have your fingers on the trigger. This is equipped with a blower on the front. So whenever you're cutting with a jigsaw along a pencil line, the sawdust will collect around the jigsaw blade, making it hard to see the pencil line. This saw has a blower out front here. It'll blow that sawdust away from the blade and your cut so that you can easily see what you're doing and cut along your cut line more accurately. Changing the blade is very simple. You're just gonna pop up this lever right here and the blade will pop out. You wanna put a blade in, again, pull up the lever, and it'll go right into place right there and you're ready to work. There is an opening on the back side here for a hose to use with a vacuum so that you can have dust collection with this jigsaw and pull some of that sawdust away. It keeps from making so much of a mess. It's another nice feature. This jigsaw does have an adjustable base, so if you need to cut something at 45 degrees or 22.5 degrees, you want to be able to match your base to that angle. There are 2 screws in the base. You can use a flathead screwdriver or a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen those. I'll just go ahead and loosen both of those. And that's gonna free me up to be able to rotate the base in either direction to match whatever cut that I need. And again, there are detents along the way, so it will lock in place at 0, 22.5, and 45 degrees. When you want to lock the base in place, you'll just tighten those screws up again. I want to go back to 0 and we'll just snug those bolts tight again and the base will be nice and solid. With a 4-amp-hour motor, this is going to have plenty of power for most any task that you would be using a jigsaw for. So again, it's got all the key features that you need. Nice little tool at a great price point. This is really designed for the person who needs a jigsaw but doesn't need to spend a fortune on one. So good all-around tool for a lot of different projects.